round called as multi-designer round, in which 15 designers of Rajasthan are showcasing their garment at the finale, and we are shooting for them tomorrow. So tomorrow is the designer round, complete designer round. Let's introduce our designers from Rajasthan. Can we have Karan Vig here? Karan Vig is also a mentor. Yashvi और बहुत सारे लोग already उनके students हैं यहाँ पर. A very good friend. Karan. Karan, आपका जो brand है उसके साथ हम shoot कर रहे हैं. आप खुद एक mentor हैं. What message do you have for all these finalists who are grooming here for the 7 days?
Thank you, Gaurav, once again for introducing me so lovingly as you always do. First of all, I would like to congratulate. First of all, I would like to congratulate each and every one of you that you guys have done a wonderful, fabulous thing that you guys are standing over here and getting, talented, more groomed up, more polished, properly done, garnished by Gaurav and his team. And we guys are privileged as well that I have got all few designers from Jaipur to so that you guys can wear the garments and rock in the same way. So I think I just have one little piece of advice which I always give to my models as well, that the only thing which I expect out of model or aspiring model is that you guys are going to heights and heights and heights, but at least do not forget your roots. Which I think nobody would like it. You go to certain places, you go to heights, but at least be humble, be good, be gentle, be nice to the person who is bringing you here, and to everybody who is mentoring you. All the few girls who are just mentoring right now, I think the one something right? Muskan, no, you. Sonakshi. Sonakshi was a model in the very, very early days, I guess. In one of the Kurti shoots we did a shoot for me on the runway. In Glass Summer. Yeah. So I have like few of our models here as well. But the only thing is that give respect to them as well. They are the ones who are teaching you to go to heights. Next thing, from the point of view of designers, what I would like to say to you is that I have heard from a few designers, I won't disclose their names, otherwise they're going to kill me, that please respect the garment. Show is always run by the organizers, but organizers' name is at stake. So whenever you wear somebody's garment, because you guys are doing a heavy makeup as well, so if a designer's garment is white in color, it gets the stain, and if you guys are going to give it to dry cleaning, it doesn't come out, and the effect of the garment goes away. So that is what I would request, humbly plead, beseech you guys to please give the garments to all the designers who are giving their garments with a very, very like a baby. The garment is a baby for us designers. I know Faraji, I know Shalini ji, I know Moon Bora. And we all have given nights and nights. And I apologize to Gaurav as well because he said 13th ko leke aana. I said no 15, no 16, no 17. Now, finally we have got the garment, and it has taken us ages to make a garment, to get a garment done. So we want on the runway, it should come out as that beautiful blooming child of ours, that what we have expected at our studios back home. I only have this much request, and I would request Gaurav that if we can have our own runway selection of songs plus choreography as well, because every designer has its own, I think, idea and agenda, and I think they have told me as well.
Choreography will be very simple. Two girls will walk the ramp,
yes,
and then they'll come back and then take the designer with them.
Cool. That's a simple thing. Cool. So, but the song choice.
Song choice would be designer's choice. No problem.
So I have few designers who have their big, hair in the garment, so they want the models to twirl. Yeah, and if you guys can twirl in the center, it's totally suhana kind of a thing. So that is, I have just one request. Please respect the garment. Even the petticoat of the garment should be given nicely to the designer. Thanks a lot. And this is going to take you far. If you respect the designer, सही सिंपल भाषा में बोला जाए, एक गारमेंट ही है जो आपको स्टेज पे लेके आता है. Otherwise, you're in. And what makes you a model is the garment. What you're not putting your face on the runway. According to the fashion industry norms, we see a garment on the runway. So please respect them, and I think that's the only piece of advice. Always respect. That's it. That's off to you for doing such a big thing, getting all the girls and arranging everything. I know it doesn't pick up my calls, but he is super busy. I understand that. Yeah, I know he's super busy, and I respect him.
Designers interacting with these contestants.
I remember one of the
Faraji
incidents that
है,
I
मोनिका
shared.
बोरा है,
And one more thing is very important. Please, that's
और ये है क्या नाम है,
जो
Karan is
white
speaking
skin
right
है,
now.
because they were not proper. There was some who were not
Live-
giving the
live
proper.
देख लेना मैम जी.
That creates a problem for the designers. Because somebody has given the arm that was 25, right? And 25 is like
Shows
a
happening, then training is happening,
like a
then
and-
this, then all this one.
and then armhole is 915 or something. That dude, it's not a baby's arm, right? So
हाँ
it's
हाँ बहुत सारे
should
लोग.
be bigger. So I'm not taking the model's name just to respect that as well. But at least, so that because last moment वो ये कट गया ना, तो यहाँ से garment घुसेगा ही नहीं अंदर. That's the problem for the designers then. Yeah. And then नीचे से length कटवाना, and then when you take your garment's length, you take from here till the ankle, and then the floor length as well. You give every detail. So it's a learning phase for every one of you. Of course, we guys are learning. हम भी गिर के learn करते हैं. So I think that's the only piece of advice which I would like to give. And yes, good luck for tomorrow and for the 20th as well. May the best win. I know you all are best, but there's one amongst like a cherry on the top of the cake. That's all. Thank you.
One more announcement. Karan will be the official choreographer for Jaipur Couture Show this season. राजी आपके लिए बड़ी डिस्कवरी है। राजी हमारे शो का हमेशा पार्ट होती है couture shows के और बहुत ही प्यारे गारमेंट्स उनके होते हैं। बुला लें उनको। राजी आइए प्लीज ऊपर। और इस बार हमने ये ड्यूटी करण को दी है। ऑफिशियल जो कोरियोग्राफर होते हैं हमारे शाही लोगों होते हैं और ऑफिस लोग होते हैं, पर इस बार हम करण से कराएंगे। राजी, thank you for all the support which you're always available for me and Elite and Couture shows. I know that. बहुत धन्यवाद आपका। आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे हमारे ब्यूटीफुल फाइनलिस्ट बैठे हैं?
बेस्ट विशेष
बड़ी बहुत शाय है, बहुत ज्यादा।
She's shy on stage.
Absolutely.
Not
We just
outside. I would like to
नहीं आप भी बैठे।
आप
हाँ चलिए हमारे साथ डिजाइनर और भी शालिनी जी हैं हमारे साथ। शालिनी जी आइए। मूल बोला है और बिना जी है। बिना जी आज हमारे बिना डिजाइनर बनाई बिना जी और बिना डिजाइनर ऑफ Elite Rajasthan this year. All these designers, renowned designers of Rajasthan, शालिनी जी, मूल जी and बिना जी। आज कुछ लोग आए हैं, कल आप और भी डिजाइनर्स के कपड़े पहनने वाले हैं, जिसमें मोहित फलौट है, हनीत है, आशना वासवानी है, नीतू है और मैं भूल रहा हूँ 15 डिजाइनर्स हैं। हम आपको कल डिटेल बताएंगे सारे। आपका क्या मैसेज है?
Just give your best. You are the best and you all will give more best.
हिना जी
Thanks Gaurav for organizing such an amazing show and thanks beautiful girls. All the best.
I'll sorry add just a few more details of all the designers. I don't know who the models are, but just to tell that what garments and how they will be carried.
I can tell you the names of it.
Okay. So, but still then everybody can listen it as well, right? So, for example, I'm a designer who designs saris. It's ethnic. My runways are without footwears. नाम ही नहीं याद रहते हैं.
Mira to Ria and
Yeah, it's on my chart.
Riya and
Muskan, was it?
Ria and Sunita.
रिया कौन सी? दो रिया हैं।
Riya Salodia.
Deepika and Monica.
Oh, thank you.
दीपिका है, मोनिका। आ जाओ दीपिका और मोनिका। दीपिका कवर है, मोनिका मीना। यस बोलिए। कल नाम बताइए क्या है? मोनिका मीना।
Oh, I was just looking at your bus.
शूटिंग करें। One of the models is shooting. One of the models is shooting.
Okay, okay. So what I was thinking was that if I have a runway going on, I would not want the makeup to be loud, and it's very sober. And I think my garment is a kimono sari. So it's a Japanese plus ethnic kind of a concept together. So if it is possible, I'll give you the tactics when I come tomorrow. What all I want. The other one? Okay. So what I want is that I want you to have a very Chinese kind of Japanese kind of a thing, which I'll be giving you. And if it is possible,
Sumitra Godhara.
and if it is possible, we can do the hairdo the same way. If she'll whatever. Yeah. Cool. So, okay, so that is one element of mine, and which is without footwear. And it's a simple walk, and rest I'll tell you later about my garment.
सुषमा
और सेकंड मॉडल कौन सी जूही टिक्की वाले आपकी खाली नहीं आपके कौन सी मॉडल सुषमा चौधरी चलो आपकी यशी आप सैलरी चाहते
Okay. Now coming on to the second designer here, Faraji. Faraji does her garments in khadi. So it's a very ethnic touch. I think it's beyond us. It's beyond our imagination. She's giving the very kind of a heritage kind of a touch to the garments, and she wants it to be simple, sober, but a little peppy. What she is, right? Moving on to Shalini ji. That's for everybody's information as well. That's one of her first runways which she is going to do on a stage. And I'm glad that Gaurav gave us this opportunity to bring ma'am on the stage as well. And even she was really excited for that, and that's why she was working. I'll tell you one more thing about her, because I've been closely examining her and being with her, that she made 4 garments in hurry. So she was like, oh, I thought it's 1, 2, like, this is like, chalo 4 pe chalte hain. Whatever the garments you like or whatever. So she was like, I'll give 4. So that's what she was deciding, and she was running to the shops on Sundays, asking the owners to please open the shop. I need the fabric to be done, and she is very round of applause for that. And we made it. So that's the same garment with her. The choice of the garment is really in a very same white fabric, and again that has a long flare to it. And she will love the same kind of a runway choice, which we'll be selecting it later. Coming to Moon, as you can see, she is all gaudy, all decked up in gold, and she has the garments a similar way. She's flashy, she's gold, and that's what her garments will be. It's not going to be simple for you guys to walk the runway. She wants all the aggressiveness on the runway, she wants all the flair on the runway, she wants other garment mein flair nahi nazar aaye, you guys know. She will give you the back. So, but she has given loads and loads and loads of volumes in her garments, and I would suggest, that to become on a runway as a child as well. Coming to Hina ji, I think I have seen you and met you 16 garments, and that deserves a huge round of applause from everybody. Finale, she is the finale designer as well. So I have seen her garments. She works in sequence, and again, as you can see, she is really determined towards her work. And you walk down the Rajpal street, you see her flashy garments on the street as well, and she is doing a really wonderful job. But I don't think that we are being connected so quickly and for Eagle's long stage. But I think she'll be able to give you a more insightful garments, as I think she would. How do you want your garments?
Actually, all garments are heavy. Bridal taste, bridal collection.
इसमें क्राउडिंग होने वाली है वो सब सारे ब्राइडल हैं हमारे
All are similar. सब similar ही रहेंगे, और बट सब bridal हैं, heavy हैं, ball gowns हैं.
Ball gowns.
Fairy look है.
So that means you have to get a western look in yourself. So guys, every designer has different outlook, and every designer has a different agenda behind them when they're presenting their garments in the runway. I might sound to you boring, but at the same moment, it is really important to know the garment when you're wearing it. Unless you know the garment, unless you get inside the designer's psyche, you probably won't come out as a good model. And it's visible. You have seen so many good. I never see Jaipur shows. I see like you models as Delhi, Mumbai, no. London Fashion Week. Aim high. So that we come up as like, oh, Gaurav's models are going to London Fashion Week, Milan, Paris, New York. What not? Increase your boundaries. It's not that we are just being a model in general and that we have like 20k followers. I know how followers are. But be good. Be good. That's it. And if he is giving you such a stage, send him a ticket as well. I think that's all from my end at the moment today, and probably I'll see you guys tomorrow. And we will be seeing tomorrow. I think Matt won't be there. Some of us will be presenting the garments tomorrow for the shoot, and I hope inshallah everybody does justice for them. Ashna is not coming. She said that I'll be managing her. So she's yeah. So any queries? Any questions? Please, the floor is open.